What's up, RV Nation? It's me, Barry P, back again live. Family Fun RV Center, 333 Southeast 82nd Avenue, beautiful Portland, Oregon. Our second location, 570 North Columbia Boulevard, also in Portland, Oregon. Both locations family-owned, family-run. Both locations small in size, big in service. Ladies and gentlemen, the RV Nation, I think I found my new favorite this week. We just got this trailer in. This is the Forest River EVO 2700. Amazing trailer, lots of features in here that I really like. If you got a family of 4, you like to bring people along, great trailer. If you got a family of 6, no problem whatsoever. We got room. 4-season trailer, just like all our Forest River products. Great insulating capabilities, built on a Lippert chassis with flipped axles, sealed and heated underbelly. If you store it somewhere cold, you go camping somewhere cold, don't have to worry about your tanks and your lines freezing. Don't have to worry about the rodents getting in. Nice and finished under there, just like all of our Forest River products. Moving to the inside, front queen walk-around bed that's got a Denver pillow top mattress. Gone are the days when you had to sleep on those crappy old trailer mattresses where you could barely get a couple hours of sleep. Super comfortable Denver pillow top mattress up front. Also has some nice underbed storage on some hydraulic lifts. Lift it up, you can get right to the pass-through. You've got a laundry chute over here. You want to get rid of your dirty laundry, stick it down in your pass-through. Makes a really nice area to collect everything. Leatherette jackknife sofa right up here that, of course, makes into a little bed. U-shaped dinette, which is a really nice size. You could get 6 people around this, no problem. And, of course, turns into a bed thereafter. Excellent for entertaining right across from our kitchen here, which is an L-shaped kitchen. Solid surface LG countertops, 3-burner gas top range, stainless appliances with Dometic refrigerator. Even have an oven in here if you like to do a little bacon while you get camping. Again, stainless microwave, stainless over-the-range hood. You've got a drop-in farm-style undermount sink, one-piece sink. So if you do some cooking, if you've cooked in a trailer before and you found it to be a pain in the butt when you're trying to wash a big pan in a small sink, Forest River has thought that through, put a farm-style sink in there, gives you plenty of room to wash a full-size pan. Pull-out sprayer that also swivels, makes great for cleanup or for prep. Lots of great storage with our solid wood cabinetry here. Lots of good storage back here with some actual good-sized cabinets. Rear bathroom that has its own door. If you're outside, you got kids outside playing and somebody's got to use the restroom, you don't have to track all the way through the coach tracking footprints or mud. Has its own separate entry and also has a little bathtub back there. So if you've got a smaller baby, if you've got a pet, if you just want to wash somebody's feet, really nice and convenient and a really nice size as well. Not a small cramped bathroom. I'm going to move over to my favorite feature. This is cool. Bunks that store away. Not only do you have bunks that store away, you have a huge access door back here. If you want to bring bicycles along, if you want to bring barbecues along, if you have some oversized luggage or just something that you want to store in here, you can actually store the bunks up with just a push of a button. It works super easy, and then you have access from the outside. So if you need to get to something while you're traveling, you don't even have to come inside the coach. You can open the side access door over here and reach all your goods. Of course, ducted heating and air, so you're not going to get any cold or hot spots through here. LED lighting throughout now, which is amazing. You have one that it's too bright. You can simply just turn it off right here, quiet it down a little bit, and get it just the way you like. Entertainment center up front with your DVD, Bluetooth, and USB capabilities. Amazing trailer. Prepped for solar, prepped for backup camera, plug and play, all that stuff. We can help you get that too right in your finance package. Folks, super slide right here. Really nice. A lot of room in this trailer. A lot of room to entertain and a lot of room for people to move around. Just whether you're prepping in the kitchen or whether you got kids watching a movie or playing a game. A lot of room in this EVO 2700, folks. And again, nobody is going to beat our customer service. Nobody's going to beat our prices here at Family Fun RV. If you've been looking to get a travel trailer, whether it's a 5th wheel, tow behind, if you want a motorhome class A, B, or C, come see us at Family Fun RV, folks. We are the best in the business of customer service. We are the best in the business at helping you get campy. This is it for the EVO 2700. I'm Barry P. Come see us at Family Fun RV. I'm